Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of our video newsletter. In this video, I want to answer a question that was asked by a family that had reached out to us about filing a Marchman Act. And the question was, Mark, will this be a smooth process? Should we expect any bumps in the road? Now I can tell you the majority of the cases that we file go smoothly. We go through the assessment process, there's a treatment services hearing, and then the person goes off to treatment. And for all intents and purposes, things go well for the next 90 days. But there are cases where that doesn't happen. And perhaps, if you're a family who's been dealing with this for several years, 5 years, 10 years, even longer, your loved one's been to multiple treatment centers, there's been multiple trips to the emergency room, overdoses, relapses, you are you're dealing with a situation that has been very volatile. And so it's not going to get fixed, potentially just, with sort of the wave of a magic wand. And I wish I had a magic wand. Believe me, if I did, I would help a lot more people. But look, if the situation is really volatile, yeah, there could be some bumps in the road. Now, I'll give you an example. I've had people that in the middle of the process ended up getting Baker Acted, involuntarily committed. I'm filing a Marchman Act. The next thing you know, they're off to a Baker Act facility, or they get picked up by law enforcement, and while they're in the assessment process, they end up getting Baker Acted there. I've had people who got to treatment and got Baker Acted. I've had people that ran, and if you check out one of my other videos, you'll see I'm not locking the person up. I can't lock them up, at least initially. And so yeah, I mean there can be bumps in the road, and there can be bumps in the road for the family too. I know this is, look, filing a Marchman Act or a guardianship. It's a serious commitment of time, of energy, and money, and it's an emotional experience to have to do this. And there are going to be times where the family says, maybe we shouldn't have done this. Is this the right thing? And so I get it. I really do. I mean, this is an exhausting process for you, and even for us as lawyers, it's emotional work. This is the only thing we do. So this is what we signed up for, and we love what we do. But not every case is going to be smooth. And as I tell families that we speak to, look, we're going to hold your hand through the process, and we're here for you. And we'll do everything we can to make sure that it is a smooth process. But just know, yeah, there could be bumps in the road, and we'll cross this bridge as we get to it. So with that said, take care and be safe.